Today is the 25th of December, and as our usual tradition in our family, we get together to have lunch, exchange our Secret Santa gifts, and the rest of the day is just really enjoying the sun if it's out like today, catch up with other members of our family, and just, enjoy quality time with friends. Hey guys, how are you doing? I feel so weird just recording in this room. This is one of the beginnings of my YouTube channel, and I am wearing the pajamas I used to wear all the time when I was at university studying. So I'm feeling very weird right now just being in this state with you guys. It's the last Vlogmas of 2023 and I am in Cadiz, so this is my hometown. We arrived yesterday actually, and today Jorge is arriving, so I'm going to get ready and go and pick him up. This is my room. I was doing a little bit of work there, and yeah, this is it. These are all my books from university. Sometimes I feel like I want to take them with me, but they're very heavy. Also, I just want to quickly show you, I was finishing the Notion template to do the life reset, and not only the life reset, but it has a lot of things from my personal care, journal, habit tracker, library to track your books. These are all the different resets that I like doing. Then a planning system, finance, and small calendar here to remember important dates with your priorities. I'm finishing all of it, and I will release this before. It will be ready before you actually watch this video, but I love how everything is, how it is looking, and I have left little notes for you that you can totally delete after you read them. Is like a small guide of the template. I'm really happy, but yeah, it's a lot of work. My favorite is my personal care. I've got like different things ready for you. I'm already on my way to pick up Jorge. So to put you a little bit in perspective, today is the 28th of December. We arrived yesterday, 27th. The 23rd was the last day that I recorded the last Vlogmas, which was when I told you about La Zambombada. And the reason for this is because, in important dates, even though I would have loved to record for YouTube, my priority is to be with my family, and the videos we make is just for us, and a little bit of privacy and so on. So the goal of this new Vlogmas is to take you a little bit in this place, the place where I'm from, with some plans that Jorge and I have built, and that way maybe you can see another side, another perspective of Christmas festivity and the plans that it involves. Today we decided to have lunch by the beach with our English family. So my mom used to live in England when she was around my age, and she lived there for like 10 years, and meanwhile she took care of the kids of a family, and they really bonded to the point where we actually feel like they're our family. And actually one of the daughters is called Finola, which is why I am named Finola, and her sister is my godmother. So it was really, really nice to see them, spend time with them, and they're actually going to come on the 31st to have dinner together. So this is really, really great. The place where we had lunch by the ocean is Cádiz, and we were going to meet a friend of ours in El Puerto de Santa Maria. So to get from one place to another, we went by boat, and this is something that Jorge really enjoys, and I think we're slowly building our little tradition. Once again, we're out with another plan. Today was a day that we were going to use to rest. My sister, Jorge, and we just wanted to rest because we knew that the 31st was going to come with a lot of plans. But my sister's boyfriend, Jose, came as a surprise. And because it was such a lovely weather, it was so sunny today, we decided to go, the four of us, plus our doggy Bimba, to have lunch again by the ocean, because why not? Honestly, there's not so much that you can get out of this, mainly when you live abroad. So it was actually a great day. We had a lot of fun, and also it was another opportunity to be with my sister and have more quality time and be able to speak about, our things and just like proper catch up. And after lunch, Jorge and I wanted to see the sunset, so we gave Bimba a little walk by the promenade, and we decided to do some work before dinner because we were having dinner with my parents, so the six of us together. And this is the moment where I present to you the Live Notion planner. I am so excited about this template. It's so much better than the one from last year. So it's ready with a 50% off as a present from me to you for this Christmas, and I really hope you like it. The link is down below in the description box. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I know you may think that there's not a lot of things happening, or that it's not very wintry or Christmassy, but this is the reality. When I come here, it's kind of messy, and I struggle to pick up the camera all the time and have like a constant timeline of the things that happen. But yeah, it's very warm here. Even I find it hard sometimes to find it like Christmassy. But anyway, today's the 31st and we're all getting ready for tonight's dinner. So I have been working this morning in order to get this video ready for you guys. I really like it. I'm really excited about the Live Notion planner that is ready, and it's out there with a huge sale. And yeah, I have been enjoying the sun. I really needed this. And now Jorge and I are going to go for a walk and have drinks outside. This is something that is very typical here in Spain, to have drinks in the afternoon, during the afternoon before dinner time, on the 31st. So yeah, that's what's happening. I really hope that you liked the video, and I'll see you soon. Next video coming is how to start the year on the right mindset, and I'm really excited for that one.